we up at the butt crack of dawn?
Because you wanted to leave early.
For what? What are we doing?
Well, getting myself some pretty ribs.
Ah, gee whiz. Stewie.
And
What?
coffee.
Oh.
Iced coffee.
Okay.
Or dirty chai. Dirty chai.
Dirty chai. So much excitement in this woman. She's
Things.
going to get some new boots. New boot goofing in her car. Stu man, you make sure that your sister's good. Or should I tell her to make sure that you're good? This is the best coffee shop on earth.
It's amazing.
This is
So if you come to Pennsylvania, come to, where's that?
Venturous.
McVaytown?
McVaytown. This place is amazing. They're Amish. They make good cinnamon buns and oh, I gotta get a cinnamon.
Oh gosh.
Woman over here double fisting. I don't know.
This is for tomorrow.
We'll put it up here. There, and there's a sign that says Hershey 9 miles away, and of course she goes, oh, we can go get a cookie. It's 9 miles further away. I said, I'm like, no. And then she's yelling at me because I scheduled my car pickup today to pick up my new project.
Exactly. You didn't have to do it. You know,
well, we still have time. We'll just go get a cookie, okay? Do you want to go get a cookie?
I don't want a cookie though.
Oh, all right. See how that is? Guys, you know. If you're married, you know. We got the wheels. They look brand new.
In 900 feet.
She's happy.
Oh yeah, they're very, very nice. They look so much better than what I have on my car.
And turns out I was worried about spacing because the all-wheel drive ones, the offset's a little different. They're a little more offset, so the wheels are normally a different offset. They're set in more. They're a plus, whatever. These wheels had spacers behind them, just little ones, so that they look like they fit on his good, so they should fit on hers really good without the spacers, which is a good thing. Look at this. The dude's body, it's got a wide body kit on it and it's falling off. It's about to come off, and he does not have wide wheels. What are you doing? See, that's a moldy kit. Look how good it's molded on there. Do you see it? Look at the mold on that. Yes, guys, we're listening to Britney Spears, okay? I know you was gonna comment on the video and go, is he listening to Britney? Yes, we're rocking in here. Now, I should add, these have like practically new tires on them. Not a single mark on them, like they're brand new. He said they were on the Challenger when the guy bought it. He took them off and put stock wheels back on, which is surprising to me. These things are immaculate, like they're brand new. And tire pressure sensors are in them. I got to program those. Lug nuts came with it. Everything's there, they're balanced. Like, can't go wrong. 900 bucks for the whole setup. Before I put Ashley's new boots on, I already, yesterday, took this cross member out. Of course, you can see I painted it while I had it out. Cleaned all the bolts up. It seemed to be this part of the case was leaking. All these bolts were dry when I took them out. Every one of these bolts were wet. On this side, not the 10s, but the 14s. Every one of those I took out was wet, and I don't think they're the right bolts. They have lock washers on them, and like I said, each bolt was wet when I took it out. So cleaned all the holes, wire wheeled the bolts so they were clean, put silicone on the bolt heads and on the threads and stuff. And I think this is what they're supposed to look like. That's that one bolt I had that was new. I haven't got my new bolts yet. But we sealed that all up, and then just for good measure, I went around here with silicone on that seam. But yeah, everything's cleaned up and dry, and I just pumped, it took a quart of the Nissan S fluid until it started running out up there. So That's your drain, that's your fill. So yes, 1 quart. I still have 3 quarts left in case I need them. I'm gonna get this thing down and we'll get the wheels on Ashley's car. In all honesty, I don't think we could have found a better fitting set of wheels. The fitment is perfect. If you run like a stock wheel off of a 2-wheel drive Challenger, they stick out a little bit. These things are perfect. This guy was running these spacers, which are only like 1/8 of an inch, which would have made them stick out about where they do. This is like perfect fitment. That looks awesome. She has not seen it yet, so she's upstairs working out, but I feel like this is worthy of interrupting a workout. So let's go get her and see what she thinks. Hey! Come down and look at your car. I have to leave later. Come on. This is the response I get. You need to see your car.
I'm gonna see it later.
They're perfect. Like, just do it now for me. Here, I'm gonna shut the door behind you. Okay, we're not gonna get the response that we should get because somebody is in a grumpy mood.
Well, we're gonna work it out. Okay. Yes, that looks a lot better.
That's the response we get. That's just...
I like it, yes. Yay!
Oh yeah, pose! Pose in front of the car. Huh?
Why?
Cause I need a thumbnail.
Oh, okay.
So you just put your butt in the camera.
Oh.
Or should I do it like this since you can't, then you can't see him?
We want me to-
I don't know. Yeah, that's, yeah. Okay, all right. Okay. So I don't honestly know the model. Never looked it up, but these are TSW wheels. Pirelli tires the whole way around. Pirelli Zero Nero. And they're all seasons. 275 40/20s. And they're the same size the whole way around. That thing looks awesome. If I'd straighten out the wheel, it looks like it sticks out, but I have the wheel cut a little bit. So, I'm sweating like, never mind, let's not say that analogy. I'm sweating, but I need to go change clothes, hook my dolly up, and hit the road to go pick up my next project. So I hope you guys like this video. It's not really a typical video, but her car looks really good. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom gives a good deal on rim jobs. And we'll see you on the next episode on Wrecked. Where are my cuties at? There's one of them. Hi, little girl. Where's your brother? You don't know. You don't care. Somewhere he's not supposed to be, I bet. I found him. What are you doing on a bed all by yourself? In the middle of the day? Huh? Tell me a story.